Welcome to our Majesty installation guide. This video will walk you through how to install the Majesty massage chair. Before we begin the installation, select the location where you would like to place the chair. We recommend that you place a rug underneath the chair. There should be at least 3 inches of space between the back of the chair and any wall. The Majesty will come in 2 boxes containing the main body and the leg rest. In addition to these parts, you will find various pieces of hardware to use during assembly. This hardware consists of the following items: 2 metal clips for the leg rest attachment, 1 power cord, 1 remote control, and 1 screwdriver, which won't be used. Let's begin installation. To lift the Majesty out of the box, use Team Lift. Lift the chair using the built-in handle. The chair head can break if you do not use it. Always use this handle when lifting or moving the chair. Let's attach the leg rest. You will attach the leg rest onto these 2 metal posts and connect the electrical port and air hose here. The metal clips will already be on the metal posts. Use a flat head screwdriver or a key to slide them off. Attach the leg rest by placing the leg rest brackets onto the post. Secure the leg rest by sliding the clip on each side. Zipper close the leg attachment. Bend the leg rest upward to access the electrical ports and air valves. Attach the electrical clip and air hose. Then lower the leg rest. Connect the power supply and remote control. Turn on the chair. Now test whether or not the chair has been installed correctly by selecting any automatic program. The Majesty massage chair is now fully installed. Thank you for watching this installation video.